Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you to visit my channel, guys. Previously, we have done question number 6 and 7 of exercise 5a. Now today we are going to do question number 8 and question number 9. Let's start with the question number 8. Solve the following equation. Part A, minus 3 bracket 2 minus x is equal to 6x. Let's start. Minus plus minus 3 times 2 is 6. Minus plus 3 times x is 3x is equal to 6x. Now minus 6 and this positive 3x will become minus on the other side, like that, is equal to 6x minus 3x. 6x minus 3x is 3x, and this 3 will become dividend on the other side, like that. X is equal to minus 6 upon 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So our x will be minus 2, and this is our required answer. Similarly, part B, 5 minus 3x is equal to minus 6 bracket x plus 2. Let's start. First of all, we solve the bracket. Minus plus minus 6 times x is 6x, minus plus minus 6 times 2 is 12. Now by rearranging, we get 6x minus 3x is equal to minus 5 minus 12. 6x minus 3x is 3x, and minus 5 minus 12 will become minus 17, and x will become minus 17 upon 3, and that is our required answer. Now moving to part C, minus 3 bracket 9 by plus 2 is equal to 2 bracket minus 4 minus 4 by minus 7. Let's start by opening the bracket. Minus plus minus 3 times 9 is 27 by minus plus minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to plus minus minus 2 times 4 is 8y plus minus minus 2 times 7 is 40. Now by rearranging, 14 less 6 is equal to 27y less 8y. We move this on this side and this minus 14 on that side. So 14 less 6 is 8, 27 less 8y is 19y, and y becomes 8 upon 19, and this is our required answer. Moving towards part D, minus 3 bracket 4y less 5 is equal to minus 7 bracket minus 5 minus 2. Let's start by opening the brackets. Minus plus minus 3 times 4 is 12 y, minus minus plus 3 times 5 is 15 is equal to minus plus minus minus plus 7 times 5 is 35 minus minus plus 7 times 2 is 14 y. Now by rearranging, we get 15 minus 35 and 12y plus 14y. Now 15 less 35 is minus 20 is equal to 12y plus 14y become 36y, and y will become minus 20 upon 36. 2 times 18 is 36, 2 times 10 is 20. Similarly, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 5 is 10. So our y will become minus 5 upon 9, and that is our required answer. Now moving to the last part of this question, part E. 3 bracket 5 minus h less 2 bracket h minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Let's start. Plus 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 3 times 5 is 15, plus minus minus 3 times h is 3h, minus plus minus 2 times h is 2h, minus minus plus 2 times 2 is 4 is equal to minus 1. Now I was solving. 15 plus 4, 15 plus 4 is 19, minus 3h minus 2h will become minus 5h is equal to minus 1. So we can move 5h on this side and minus 1 on that side. So what we get is 19 plus 1 is equal to 5h. 19 plus 1 is 20 is equal to 5h, and h will become 20 upon 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 4 is 20, so our h will become 4, and that is our required answer. Hopefully you understand. Now moving towards the next question. Now question number 9, solve the following equation. In this question we are saying that there is a fraction sign. No need to worry, let's start. Part A, 5x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7. Now on the first step we remove this, divide the 3 by multiplying with 7, like that. 5x plus 1 will become 7 multiplied with 3, that is 21. So 5x is equal to 21 less 1. As we move 1 from this side to this side. Now 5x will become 20 and our x will become 20 upon 5, that is 4. So we get x is equal to 4, and that is our required answer. Now moving to the part B, 2x minus 3 is equal upon 4 is equal to x minus 3 upon 3. Let's start. In first step we have cross multiply this denominator with this denominator and this denominator with this denominator, likewise this. What we get is 3 bracket 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 bracket x minus 3. Now by solving the brackets, 3 times 2 is 6x, plus minus minus 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to 4 times x is 4x, plus minus minus 4 times 3 is 12. Now by rearranging we get 6x less 4x is equal to 9 minus 12. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x. 9 less 12 is minus 3. So our x will become minus 3 upon 2, and that is our required answer. Now let's move to the part C. 3x minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x minus 1 upon 3. Let's start. Cross multiply. So we get 3 times of 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 multiply with x minus 1. Now by opening the bracket, 3 times 3 is 9x, plus minus minus 3 times 1 is 3 is equal to 5 times x is 5x, plus minus minus 5 times 1 is 5. By rearranging we get 9x minus 5x is equal to 3 minus 5. So 9x minus 5x is 4x is equal to 3 less 5 is minus 2, and our x will become minus 2 upon 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so it will give us minus half, and that is our required answer. Now part D, 1 upon 4 bracket 5y plus 4 is equal to 1 upon 3 bracket 2y minus 3, 2y minus 1. By cross multiplying what we get is 3 bracket 5y plus 4 is equal to 4 bracket 2y minus 1. 3 times 5 is 15, y plus 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 3 times 4 is 12 is equal to 4 times 2 is 8y plus minus minus 4 times 1 is 4. By rearranging, 15y minus 8y is equal to minus 12 minus 4. 15y minus 8y will give us 7y is equal to minus 16, and our y will be minus 16 upon 7, and that is our required answer. Moving towards the part E, 2y minus 1 upon 5 minus y plus 3 upon 7 is equal to 0. Now in this question we move this minus y plus y upon 7 on the second side, like that 2y minus 1 upon 5 is equal to plus y 3 upon 7. I'm moving on the second side, we convert this minus side into positive sign. Now by cross multiply, what we get is 14y minus 7 is equal to 5y plus 15. By rearranging, 14y minus 5y is equal to 7 plus 15. 14y less 5y will give us 9y. 7 plus 15 is 22, and our y will become 22 upon 9. That is our required answer. Last part of this exercise, f is 2y plus 3 upon 4 plus y upon 5, y minus 5 upon 6. Similarly, we just move on this on second side. So 2y plus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus y minus 5 upon 6. By cross multiply, what we get is 12y, 6 times 3 is 18 is equal to minus 4y plus 20. Now by rearranging, we get 12y plus 4y is equal to 20 minus 18. 12y plus 14y give us 16y is equal to 2, and our y will become 2 upon 16. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 8 is, so our y will become 1 upon 8, and that is our required answer. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. If you have any trouble regarding this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching us.